Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Idea. This is our 8th video and it's a slime episode. I love this slime so much. I told you in my last video that I'm gonna show you the slime which was purple. Where did it come from? Who knows? But leave it. I still like glitter and these kind of things in the slime. So moving on, I told you in my last video that I'm gonna show you my purple slime. It's supposed to be purple, but I tinted it a chocolatey brown because everyone loves chocolate. So that's why I did it. It's a nice butter slime. Oh, do you see? Even it's great for bubble pops. Oh, yeah. You want to see something real cool? I love the noise so much of poking it up. See how sticky it is. So that's for my today's video. Bye. Just kidding. Just kidding, I said right now. So you can even add in water. Just like directly pour it in this, like you having it. No water inside it, but I don't like add a lot of water. This is the bowl in which I made the slime, or maybe not. I don't know. I'm gonna mix it in this bowl only. Yeah, in this way. Add the water, and if you want you can even add in cream, hair oil, or whatsoever things you want to add. It's your choice because it's your slime. Now this one, which one you're gonna make? Makes such a big mess, but it cleans it off in just a second. Oh shit. See, if you don't know how to play with slime, don't make this slime ever. Because it's gonna be like overlapping your hand. Overlapping. Yeah, now saying that's for my today's video. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe the button, the red button, and like the video, share the video, comment down below that you can make slime or not. Bye. Oh shit.